Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small, the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Today, I want to talk to you about what probate is and why people want to avoid it. Before I get to that though, I want to remind you, if you have questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. Okay, what is probate and why does everyone want to avoid it? Most people have heard of probate. Most people have heard that you want to avoid it. Pretty much nobody knows why. Well, I have good news for you. After you listen to this little short video, you are going to know what it is and why you don't want to go through it. So here we go. Super duper high level. Probate is simply the process of transferring one person's assets to another person. You have a parent and they own a house. The parent dies and the house is to be transferred to the child. The process of changing the title of that house from the parent to the child is probate, okay? Now, inside of that process, there are many different procedural things happening. You have to file a petition with the court. The court has to approve the petition and sign an order putting somebody in charge. That person is then able to get and then distribute the assets. In the meantime, they have to pay off any creditors. They have to take care of anything else that pops up. Those things happen over time. All right, so that is the probate process in a nutshell, high level, transferring one person's assets to another person. Now, why do we want to avoid probate? A couple different reasons. Reason number one, it costs money. All right, so the simple probate with us is going to cost you several $1,000s. If it is complicated in any way, obviously the price just goes up. A lot of people want to avoid that, and that makes perfect sense. Another reason is probate takes quite a bit of time. I tell people when they call us, 6 to 9 months is to be expected, and that's 6 to 9 months basically before you are able to get the assets of the deceased person in your hands, in your name. The third reason is that it just kind of isn't that much fun. You have to work through the court process. You don't have to go to court in Washington State, at least. In some other places you do. We can do it what's called ex parte, which is like outside of the court, but there is some court process involved. There's a bunch of legal paperwork involved. And again, it's something that most people don't want to do. Here's the other reason why people want to avoid probate. Because it's easy to do. Okay, there are solutions to this probate problem that you can take care of as long as you do so while you are alive. So that's it. What probate is and why people want to avoid it. If you want to avoid it, I would encourage you to give us a call, set up a time to talk with us. You can do that by going to cmslawfirm.com. We'll talk to you for free. We'd be happy to explain everything, lay out all of the options, answer any questions you have, and see if we can help. All right. And in the meantime, though, that's it for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you want to subscribe somewhere, do it. And that's it. I'm Christopher Small, the owner of CMS Law Firm. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. I appreciate you, and I will talk to you again soon. See ya.